My dear friends, welcome to Rajashekar classes on ethical hacking. This is lecture number 32. In this lecture, we will try to understand Recon. What is this Recon? It is one of the important footprinting tool. Before understanding this particular tool, let me say a few words. The things which are going to be explained in this lecture are intended only for educational or learning purposes. I request you not to use this tool for unethical needs or purposes. Starting Recon-ng. From Kali 2020 version. Which version? Let me say Kali. This is Kali Linux 2020 versions. Yes, you are not root user. You are not root user. Not root user by default. By default. So you will need to use this particular command, sudo command, sudo command, sudo command when you start recon-ng. Otherwise, most of the commands won't work. That's important point, isn't it? The sudo command, let me say like this, the sudo command allows you to run programs, with the security privileges, with the security privileges of another user. Another user means by default I can say super user. Therefore, I can say to run a command as the root user, use sudo command. Yes, how can I start this one? Just see sudo. This is Kali Linux command prompt. In Kali Linux command prompt, just type this one. What is this? sudo space recon-ng. Therefore, this particular screen will be displayed. After that, what you have to do this is, I can say, starting recon-ng Kali Linux screen, isn't it? Now, how can I find available commands? List of commands that are supported by, I can say, list of commands that are supported by recon-ng, isn't it? Recon-ng can be viewed. It can be viewed, viewed, isn't it? Using which command? Using a command known as help command, isn't it? That's the purpose of help command. How it works, we will try to understand. Just see this displaying available commands. What is that command name? That command name is help. Just see here. This is help command, isn't it? Yes, now we will try to understand installing modules. What is this installing modules? By default, how can I say? By default, no modules are installed. No modules are installed. Or I can say enabled, isn't it? You need to install them prior to using recon-ng tool. I can say it's a tool, isn't it? I will repeat. By default, no modules are installed or enabled. You need to install them prior to using Recon-ng tool. Modules can be installed using a command known as marketplace command. Marketplace. Yes, what is this marketplace? Modules can be installed using marketplace command. Marketplace space install space all. Isn't it? This is the command which is useful to install modules. Just see, marketplace space install space all. Therefore, what happens? Some of the modules require API keys to be added to work properly. Some modules may not get installed when you run this particular command, and you need to install them separately. This is the procedure for installing modules in Recon-ng. What is that procedure? Just type marketplace space install space all. Isn't it? Now, creating a workspace. It is always a good practice. Creating a workspace, it is always a good practice. A good practice to create a workspace. We will try to understand what is workspace in my future classes. Time being, just understand it is always good practice to create a workspace before you start your reconnaissance. Before starting reconnaissance, NAISSANC, before you start reconnaissance using available modules, this gives your analysis a more structured feel. That's the benefit. That's the benefit of creating workspace. As I told you, I will discuss in detailed manner. Time being, how can I create workspace? What is the procedure to create workspace? Let's say you want to create a new workspace named my workspace name. I am creating a workspace with name Recon-cars. This is my workspace name. Therefore, then the command to be used is workspace space create space Recon-cars. Just see, this is workspaces, not workspace, workspaces space create space Recon-cars. Which one is, what is this Recon-cars? As I told you, our workspace name is Recon-cars. How can I create a workspace with the Recon-cars? Simple, workspaces space create space Recon-cars using DB module. What is this DB module? DB module means what? This DB module means database module. DB module means it is database module, isn't it? Using DB module, database module allows us to insert. What is the intention of this particular module? It allows us to insert, delete, even you can query and view the schema of the database tables. What does it mean? It's simple and straightforward. Just you have to type DB space schema. That's what it says. DB space schema means what? The schema can be viewed with the help of this one. Schema can be viewed. Schema, isn't it? Anyway, if you learn that database management subject, you might have known what is schema. It may not appropriate time to discuss about what is schema. Just time being, let me say, if I say DB space schema, viewing the schema of the tables available in the DB. This DB is a module. In this particular modules, I can view the schema of the tables. This is domains, isn't it? Domain nodes module. This you can view it. Just see, viewing the schema of the tables available in the DB module. Isn't it? All these are scheme of the tables. Now what can I do? Now we can add names, isn't it? We can add names of our target domains. What does it mean? We can add names. We can add names of our target or companies. I can say companies to the tables using following I can say following insert command, isn't it? What is the syntax? It's simple. DB space insert space domains. Just see, this is DB space insert space domains. Once if I say what am I typing? Just I am typing Tesla.com. Therefore, if you enter one row affected, again DB insert domains. If I say BMW.com, again one row affected, isn't it? Now I must know show domains. What is this show domains? What does it mean? Actually, what is the meaning of Tesla.com or BMW.com? What is this? Basically what it is, inserting, which one I am inserting? Inserting target domain names. Inserting target domain names to the domains table. That is our intention, isn't it? Now what am I doing? Just we are inserting. It's simply inserting. How it works, we will try to understand. Now just see this one, inserting target domain names to the domain tables. Which one we inserted till now? We inserted Tesla.com, we inserted BW.com, for which what you have to do? DB insert space domains. Now what you have to do? Just see this one, show domains. Just see what does it mean? Show domains. Here just if you observe carefully, this is show domains. What is the meaning of show domains? What it shows? My first row ID is 1, my second row ID is 2, my first domain is Tesla.com, second domain is BMW.com. What is this? Viewing the contents of table domains. These are the domains, isn't it? These are the domains. How can I view it? Simple. Show space domains, isn't it? It's so simple. It's so straightforward. Now we finished setting up of our workspace and target domain. What we did till now? What we did? Let me say like this. We finished setting up. We completed setting up workspace, and target. Not only workspace, we finished the setting up the workspace and target domains, isn't it? It's time for using the domains to perform actual reconnaissance or information gathering process. Even though have installed multiple modules in this, we will be covering only one module. The readers can explore yourself to use the other modules based on your needs. You will be able to use any modules once you see how we are going to use hacker target module. Here we will try to make use a module name hacker target module, isn't it? The modules command can be used. Which command can be used? Modules command can be used for multiple purposes. How can I make use? Just it's simple. Just say this one. What am I doing here? Yes, modules space search space hack, isn't it? Just see, modules space search space hack. What does it mean? Searching for module. What am I doing here? I'm searching for a module that contains the word hack, 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 that contains the hack to find the path of hacker target, isn't it? Hacker target module. How will it be? We will try to understand. Just see this one. Yes, searching for a module that contains the word hack to find the path of hacker target module. Now what I have to do? We now found the path for hacker target module under Recon category. Just see, where is the path? How can I get? Just see this one. Under Recon category, where it is? Just see this one. This is the path. This is Recon /domains-hosts hacker target. Now what you have to do? Now to use the module, we first need to load. We first need to load the module. How can I load the module? Just see. Modules space, yes, module space load space recon /domains-hosts /hacker target, isn't it? Now if I load this module, loading the, what is this? This is loading. Which one is loading? Loading the hacker target module, isn't it? Now looking at the detailed description of the loaded module, how can I look detailed description of this module? It's simple. There is a command known as info command. Just say this one. There is a command info, isn't it? If you are not sure of what a module does, then you always have the option to know about it using the info command. Module, yes, this one, all these one. What is this? If I press info, if I type info command, what it will give? Module details. It will give module details. Module details of hacker target, isn't it? If you are using the info command, then it will display all the details regarding the loaded modules. These are the details regarding the loaded module, isn't it? Now what I have to do? Yes, we have got the details of the loaded module. Now let's run the command. Now run the module. Let me run the module. Let me say like this: run the module. How can I run this module? Using a command known as run command. I can run the module by using run command. Where is this? This is my run command. Once if I enter run command, just see, loading the hacker target module. What is the syntax here? Module space load space recon /domain/host /hacker target, isn't it? Info space module. Therefore you will get information. I already discussed this one. Module details of hacker target. Once if I say info, just say this one. If I say info, you'll get full details of that one. Now what I have to do, as I told you, just enter run. This is run, isn't it? Just say this is a run. Once if I run, what will I get? Just say this one. You're getting hosts, isn't it? Tesla.com, bmw.com. If you go through this one, you will get total of 525 hosts. You will get approximately 525 hosts found for the two domains. What are those two? A total of 525 hosts are found for the two domains. At the end of this, what are the domains? My first domain is tesla.com, isn't it? This is first domain, and another domain is bmw.com, isn't it? This is another one. Where can I see this? This is bmw.com, isn't it? Yes. Anyway, let me go to this Kali Linux window and let me show it once. Just see this one. 1 minute. Actually, I already executed this in. This is the terminal. Yes. Let me enter in my terminal. Yes. This actually, as we have time constraint, just what I did. Just see. sudo space recon -ng. Isn't it? After that, what happens? What happened? The same thing what I explained here. Just it will install. Then if you want, yes, it will start. And what is that command? Yes, help. Help means available commands. It shows all available commands, isn't it? That's what we discussed about help. After that help, next what we discussed, just see, db schema. This we discussed, isn't it? After that db schema, what you will get? Yes, this is the db schema. Just go through this one, isn't it? A workspace, how we create workspaces, space create space recon -cars. This is the workspace name, isn't it? Yes, that is the workspace name. Then this is what we did. Row inserted, show domains, 2 rows returned, info command, all these things. I discussed all these things, isn't it? Finally, what you have to do? You have to run. If you run, what will you get? Just see. It shows tesla.com and it shows bmw.com. It shows what it shows. It is showing something like just if you observe a country name, host, IP address, longitude, latitude, longitude, region. If it is available, it shows all these details. Yes, just try to explore this particular tool, so that you can just see here it's showing 535 in total, isn't it? Just go through this particular tool. This is one of the important footprinting tool. If you have any difficulty, please keep a comment. Thank you very much.